think the old dango's loud until the big dog over there starts up. There we go. All right, guys. It's actually like 44 degrees out, so it's a little bit chilly today. But we are taking the Cummins to drop it off to get lifted. Oh, man. I'm like really excited, but I'm also nervous because I don't know if I'm gonna like it or whatever. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna like it. The cool thing is we'll have all our stock stuff. I'll always, I'll keep that. Of course, the wheels and stuff go on different trucks, but we'll always have all our stock stuff. And we're gonna get ready to head over there because it's actually not that far, and we gotta be there in like 10 minutes. So we'll probably be a little bit late. Not bad, but we gotta drop it off at 8. And I know it's not gonna be done today. I'm pretty sure it's not. I'll be surprised if it's done by the end of the day. But it's either probably gonna be tomorrow or Wednesday. Hoping it's tomorrow so I can make Wednesday's vlog about it. But we're gonna go ahead and drop this off, and then we're gonna go out for a day a little bit. But we'll drop it off and everything, and yeah, I'm excited. All right, let's rock and roll. Hey, is your vehicle running?
Yes.
I can't hear it over the bald eagles over there like hollering.
You want to keep going? You want to keep putting money in this?
Huh?
You want to keep putting money in this?
Yeah.
Okay then.
I mean, everybody's saying you should do headers now. You gonna do headers? Okay. What else? She'll come in there. I'll be in the office, so she'll come in there. She'll go, hey, like, can we do this to Drago? I was like, I done looked it up. Let me tell you how much it's going to cost. We're getting the Drago looking good. You ready? All right. Don't be intimidated too much now. I'll let you follow. Try to keep up. 5,000 horsepower should do it. So either two things are going to happen. We're going to go get the truck lifted, but we're going to stop and get diesel, then go to the garage, or we're going to not make it to get diesel and then have to go get a can and everything of diesel, because the last time I parked this truck it said I had half a tank. But I noticed the other day when I drove it out to my grandma's house, it said I didn't have a half a tank. And no, nobody's stealing or anything, because I have like cameras up there out the wazoo. So it's like, I would know if anybody came on my property to steal some diesel. And there's only like 2 other diesel trucks up there, and both of them I know real well, and I know, so it's like, nobody would come up there and steal diesel because most is all gas, but I know nobody would come up there. But I'm pretty sure my fuel gauge might be on the old Fritz, because, or it's just the way I parked. And coming off of Air Mountain, I used to have a Cobalt SS, and literally coming off the mountain, you could have a full tank, and then you go to the bottom, your gas light was on. Kind of freak you out, then it would go up. So I don't know what the deal is with this thing, but we gotta go up Pinnacle Mountain. If you know anything about Mercer County, we gotta go up Pinnacle, and then we'll top over in Bluewell. There's a I can't speak for it. There's a diesel gas station, because there's not many diesel gas stations here. I don't trust many diesel gas stations. My cousin had a 6.0. Those 6.0s are, well, you know about 6.0 power strokes. Anyways, he had that and got water in the fuel, and it was never right. Like, the truck basically just kind of just blah, you know, worst luck ever. And I only go to like Shell because they sell a lot, and a place in Bluewell. If you come down here full wheel, you will know about it. It's S&S. I come down here, they got good pepper and cheese rolls, but not as good as Katie. The smallest pepper and cheese rolls is good. But anyways, they sell diesel, and they sell it to a lot of the coal trucks. So I trust it because you know, so many people use it. But you gotta watch, like getting diesel and stuff from this car better not get overly. I'm rolling. But you gotta watch getting diesel for certain places, because they'll just sit there and it'll get water in and everything. But it's getting to where it's getting chilly, and I'll probably end up I have a brand new thing in it, anti-gel. So if you want gel, now it gets a little bit cold here, but not like negative like 20, but it's always safe to be than sorry. So it's going up a little bit, but it ain't no half a tank. But we're on top of Pinnacle, so I think we'll make it. Drop it off, and hopefully the next couple of days come back and it'll be a little bit higher. The mirror about right there, so I'm hoping the mirror's up pretty good. It's gonna be a monster. All right, so it's dropped off, took it in there, did everything. She asked, she's like, what size lip? And I was like, 8-inch. She's like, oh, big boy. I'm like, oh yeah. So it's going to take a couple days, so we probably won't get it back tomorrow. Might be like Wednesday or Thursday. But I told him, I was like, yeah, it's going on YouTube, you know, and everything. And she actually took the name of the channel and everything. I was like, yeah, I do a lot of gaming, but we're doing, you know, truck stuff, car stuff, everything on there too. So they'll probably check it out. So I hope that's pretty cool. But truck is dropped off. It'll be a couple of days. We're gonna go, I guess, just have a little family day for the rest of the day. But this evening I'm gonna do kind of a health update, because a lot of y'all have been asking how I've been feeling and everything, and it really means a lot to me that you all asked that and everything. So we're gonna do a health update and everything like that. And we have a package that was sent to us to open, so we're gonna be opening that up. So we're gonna see y'all in a little bit. All right, so it's actually the next day. Yesterday, when we got back and everything, we actually decorated the house and stuff for Halloween, so I didn't get time to actually film or anything. But I did want to do a health update, because a lot of y'all asking, you know, how you been, how's everything going. And if you didn't know, I ended up getting COVID, and that turned into pneumonia, and I was in the hospital for 7 days. I ended up having to have it was some kind of like treatment for COVID, and then just breathing treatment. Well, not breathing treatment, but I was on oxygen and everything, and I'm still supposed to be on oxygen, but I kind of been like weaning myself off of it, because it's a pain to have to kind of pull those tanks everywhere you go. And it's just kind of awkward, especially, you know, if you go in a store or something, everybody's like, oh, what happened or something like that. And I just, you know, it's like, I just want to kind of wean myself off of it. Every now and then, like if I do a lot of walking, say around a mall or anything, I do get kind of lightheaded, and I just kind of have to take it easy and everything. And of course, I am on a diet, trying to get healthy there too, because, you know, it's a main factor right there. But anyways, I am feeling great. I just don't have my energy yet. And that was one thing. I actually went to the doctor last week and talked to her. They did blood work, and everything looks okay. But I have to go today, actually, and get an x-ray to make sure all the pneumonia is gone, so we're good from there and everything. But everything seems to be good. But I told her, I was like, I don't really have any energy. Because, I mean, the other vlog we did with putting the battery in the truck and loading the lift and everything, like, that literally like wore me out, and I was so like aggravated, because like that shouldn't wore me out. But I just haven't really gained all my energy back yet, and plus, you know, still, you know, the breathing and everything. But I am doing a lot better, 100% better than what I was doing, like, you know, last week, and like 1,000% better than I was doing the other day. Hang on, I have a phone call. All right. What was it sitting outside?
Yes.
So
I went in through that. I took a picture, but I won't send it to you. I'll send you see yourself.
well, don't show anybody yet, because I won't be the first one to show them. We didn't get to ride by the garage because we were running out of time, so we brought Georgia over here. Was it just sitting out there?
It's parked there. I told you they'd park it out there near the road. It's facing the garage, but the back of it's toward the road.
Oh man, yeah, it should be ready today then. All right, well, I'll talk to you later.
You are going to love it.
What is it? Big?
It's up there.
All right, love you.
Love you too. Bye.
All right, bye. Ain't that a crock? My mom went last week, a weekend to the rod run. I didn't. And, you know, I love vehicles. There was trucks down there. And she literally, like, we was going right by the garage where we dropped the Brutus, the Cummins off at. But we're actually at the doctor for Georgia. She turned 6 months, half a year, like 2 days ago. But she's at her checkup and everything. They only allow one person in. She's got to get 2 shots today, unfortunately. Poor little girl. But it helps, you know. My mom called and basically she's seen my truck before I did lift it. It's sitting out in front of the garage, because I called this morning. I was like, hey, just to let y'all know, forgot to tell you, I had a brand new lug nuts behind the back seat. If you could put those on, not the old ones, but they had the old ones already on, but they went ahead and switched it out for me. And apparently they're probably calling Katie, because I put her number down. Because if I'm recording, I usually have my phone on silent, except when I'm doing vlogs and stuff, because you know. But my mom's seen my truck already. There you go. It's like she got a rod run before I ever did. She got to see my truck before I did. But anyways, I'm doing a whole lot better. The truck is going to be done today, so we'll be picking up, but that's going to be in another vlog. But I do have a package I want to open up because I got it in the mail. So we're going to open up that when we get back home. And then we're going to end the vlog today. And then Friday, y'all will get to see the Cummins lifted. Oh, I can't wait. And follow me on Instagram at gsparks11, because you'll see it there before you see it anywhere, because I always post on Instagram first, because it's so much easier. Just take a picture and post it. So follow me on Instagram, gsparks11. That's behind the scenes there and everything. All right, guys, so we are back at the house. We have a package, so we are going to open it. And if you would like to send a package or anything like that, or artwork or anything like that, the post office box is the address is in the description. So we're gonna get ready. Let's open this bad boy up. All right, so we have a package, and we're going to open it. I already got it cut and everything. Let's see. We got a letter. Let's see what we got right here. Now, making sure, hopefully I'm in the camera view. Katie's not holding the camera. She usually does when I open stuff up, but she's actually taking care of Georgia right now. Ooh. It says made on 9/18 of 2021. This is made to keep your spirits and hopes alive. All the King's projects. Okay, I know it. I gotcha. This is actually really cool. I might have peeked at it. You know, I have to peek, you know. All right. This is actually really cool, and it's really special. Check that out. That is awesome. That is awesome. The Lone Star State. But it's a cross. I really do like that. And we, about stepped on a cat. And we do have a letter. So let's go ahead and read the letter. Dear Ghost, upon learning about your recent battle with COVID, you keeping your faith in God, I decided to build you this cross for you to place in your shop. I've been watching your channel with my son, and I really enjoy your content. I rarely build these crosses and felt like giving one to you for inspiration. P.S. Be careful with sharp edges as you remove them from the package. From Curtis King, All the King's Projects. Like, this really, really, like, touched me, because, you know, it, like, the last couple weeks has been really, you know, it's been really bad and everything. And like, I really love this. This like really is great, and it is going to go like in my shop because like it's just good. Thank you so much, Curtis. Like that. That's great. Thank you. I definitely will and everything. And make sure to check out Curtis on his YouTube channel, All the King's Projects. It's right there. And as soon as I end this video, I will be subscribing to your channel along with Katie, aka Pink Al. But thank you so much for this, because this is awesome. That is awesome. And it's really creative too to do that with like license plates and everything. That's cool. And it will be hanging in my shop. I don't know where I'm going to hang it at, but we are going to put it in there somewhere where you can see it and everything. But thank you again, Curtis. Like that means a lot and everything. I almost made me tear up reading that, because like, again, like last couple weeks, you know, we're doing better now. We're doing a whole lot better, like I said in the health update. But again, that really touched me and everything, because it was a rough time. But thank you, and I really appreciate it. All right, guys, we are going to conclude this vlog, and I just want to say one thing. You know, we took the truck and everything, dropped it off and everything. You know what the weirdest part is? It's a little bit higher now, and the stock tires are in the back, so I might have the truck already. But anyways, guys, thank y'all for watching the video and everything. Thank you, Curtis, again. And by the way, we're going to be doing a giveaway. Actually, Katie told me we're going to be doing a giveaway on the ghostworkshop.com website starting October 1st. It's going to run all the way to December 1st, just in time for Christmas and everything. We'll be doing a giveaway, so make sure to follow me on GSparks11 on Instagram and Elite Rejects on Facebook, because we're going to be doing a giveaway, and we'll be announcing it on there and also on the website ghostworkshop.com. So head over there, grab you some merch and stuff, support your boy and everything like that. But anyways, guys, hope everybody's having a blessed day, and I'll see you on Friday, because this beast is a beast. It's a monster.